Hi guys, welcome back in Efficient Graphic Design channel. In this video, I will teach you how to change one particular color in an image rather than the whole thing. So, the red in the image here, ready, magic. It only affects the red parts and not the background. The same with this image, we change the color of the blue jacket without affecting the whole image. So, before we begin, if you don't have the Adobe Photoshop installed in your machine, I place the link in the description below where you can download the last version of Photoshop for free. And if you have any problem installing the software, just leave me a comment and I will help you. To get started, let's open these two images. We want to change the red parts of this image. So we will use the hue and saturation adjustment. But like you see, the problem is that I want to change just the red parts of the image, not the whole parts. So to get our objective, we have to select the color we want to change in this list. So we select the red color and we change the hue and saturation until we get the new color we want. And like you can notice, the result is perfect. We will do the same thing with another image. We want to change just the blue color in the jacket. So like we did earlier, we go to hue and saturation adjustments and we choose the blue color, changing the hue and saturation until we get the new color we want. Like you can recognize, the blue color is the only one changed in the image without touching the other parts. Alright, I wish you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to get the tutorials coming up, and if you have any issues, leave me a comment and I will reply. Thank you.